mix them up like it's Oros and Sprite. No, it's either it's XY or it's XX. So there's no in between confusion in it. Ne? Done. So now remember there was a hat in there, and one that was allegedly linked to accused number 3. So they tested the hat, and guess what? Whose DNA was not there. There was no saliva, there was no hair, there was no sweat, there was no blood of accused number 3 on the head. So that is what Advocate Mnisi was talking about yesterday. But they did find DNA. It was a male's DNA, which is XY, but it was not accused number 3's DNA. Not only that, it was not any of the accused from number 1 to 5. It wasn't their DNA that was there. Remember, this is the head that supposedly was left behind by the intruders. But when the head was checked for DNA, they found that it was none of those people who were there. So the head doesn't link any of them to that crime scene. So now science is beefing now with what we're told by the state, and they were saying that it's a mixture. They came up with things, and advocate was adamant, said there is no mixture here. There is no mixture, and he kept on saying, "I'm still coming to this other part. I'm not there yet." So we just saw it. It was hilarious. And it didn't make sense. So they examined the samples from that, and none of them pointed to those men. And we've heard Brigadier Kininda saying that there's digital evidence on accused number 3 that he was around Vosloorus, and that digital evidence links him to the crime. So now you are saying there's digital evidence. Now we're trying to look at the forensic evidence, but it says nothing. The DNA is not there. So unless they were wearing suits, we don't know, or something else. But this head, they must forget. There's no evidence linking them there. So let us go to the AVLs. Remember the last time who advocate asked for AVLs. What are AVLs? Is the automatic vehicle locators, the GPS for the state's vehicles. So whether it was a red Golf, whether it was a BMW, he even said, I didn't even want anything with BMW because that was later on. I only requested for everything that was used